Today, when I finish my work, I coming home and then I open my TikTok account. I check the hub message from inbox. The name is FX Misan Global. This message. Astaghfirullah, this message, brother. You know me, I know you, and I know your wife. I know you have a wife in Bangladesh. First wife. Second wife, you have wife in Filipina. She is my friend. And I thinking you are my brother. Because every time you have problem your passport is missing, I help you. I research your passport to faster giving you the first one doing wrong your passport. Because you know my power in the Philippines. That time, you know me. You know my attitude. You know my character. And I know you whole life. Because you know I'm intelligent girl in the Philippines. I know how to reading your mind. I know your behavior. Every time I know. That's why I thinking why you message me like this in Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and all my TikTok now you message. What you thinking of the Filipina? The Filipina is same toy? The Filipina is same food recipe to test any recipe? You married a girl, a Filipina, and now you offer me a Filipina also to marry? Astaghfirullah, you are Muslim, but you not know how to good behavior. Honestly, directly talking to you. All Bangladeshi and Philippines, they afraid about me. Even they have problem, they telling all people, don't inform Beverly about this problem because this girl is good, but if she angry, too much angry. And now, you offer to married with me? Wow, you're so lucky if you married with me. But I'm never accept the person same your character. I see your behavior. When your wife together with me, when you together with me also in immigration, that time I